Good morning and hi everyone. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So today I'm going to be going to do my nails, hair done in the salon, and I'm going to be waxing at home. I usually do this before work when I have night shifts because I have the whole day to myself, and I don't like doing it on my off days because it's my lazy day. I do nothing. I sit around and watch my TV shows. So yeah, the soap I'm using for my face wash is African black soap. It's really good for dark spots and oily skin because it gets rid of the extra oil that you have. Usually I work 6 days a week and I have one off day, as I said, and I don't like doing all this on my off days because I like to use that to recharge. And the face lotion I'm using is Milk Fade. It helped me get rid of my dark spots too. It's also so moisturizing without being greasy, so I love it. This is not an ad, I'm just showing you guys what I use. This is my sunscreen protection from the Vaseline company. It's so good because if you didn't know, I live in Uganda and the sun here literally burns you to death. I missed my gym today, but it's okay. It's for a good reason. I usually work out 4 to 3 days a week before going to work because I do have 3 or 4 night shifts. The days that I have night shifts is the day I do my workout. So today was supposed to be my workout day, but I skipped it to do all this. Just feel like talking now. I'm going to be doing my nails before doing my hair, so we are first going to the nail salon, so let's go. For my nails, I wanted something clean, natural and effortless, the kind of nails that go with everything. I love how a small routine like this can instantly make you feel put together. It's always the small things that make me happy. For me, doing my nails and taking care of myself are the most important things in life. I will always make time for me because if I don't feel happy enough to work, there's nobody who's going to work for me. So as you can see, my nail guy is like eating it up because he's good at shaping my nails. Actually, I love how he shapes my nails. Anyways, I chose something so simple and that can go with everything because we go with different outfits every day to work and it has to match with my clothes. I don't want to be like I forgot the name, but anyways, I chose maroon French tips on almond, so it was pretty good and I love it. It looks so beautiful. I'm going to add the video for my nails at the end of the video. You will see, and let me know what you think about the nails. Yeah, and I'm almost done and I will be going for my hair appointment soon. This is how my nails look. I love it. It's so cute. Let me know what you think. It's so simple, but at the same time it's just so cute. I don't know. I love how it turned out. It's so shiny and beautiful. I'm just happy with the result. So as you can see, I'm already at the salon. She's just started sectioning the hair. By the way, 2 people will be plaiting my hair because I was like, it's almost time for work, can you please whatever, and she was like, she called her friend to help her and they were so quick to the extent I didn't even feel like I sat there for a minute. I was there for 1 hour 30 minutes and I was done. And the good thing, my sister was around my sister was around to give me some company. I wasn't bored at all. As you can see, it's coming to life. I love going to the salon, just sit and watch them do their thing, because most of the time I braid my hair at home and it takes me time and I get exhausted, but at the same time I love when my hair is done because it's easier to get ready for work, to go to gym, to do anything. Life just gets easier once I do my nails and my hair. And yeah, I was done and happy, girl. Hey guys, so I'm done and I'm back home. This is how the hair looks. It looks pretty good, and these are my nails. I love it. It looks so good. Yeah, finally I'm done and I'm going to take shower and get ready for work. But before that, I'm waxing and I do my waxings at home, and this is what I use. It's hard wax. The one I'm using is from tea tree wax. It's been 2 years now since I've started waxing at home. 2 years. And then 2 years before that, I was getting done my wax professionally. But I mean, I felt like I could do it. She used to use sugar wax. I also started with sugar wax, but it's too messy. But this is like good. And I've not yet bought the wax heater, but I use a mug and I just let it sit on boiling water and it melts, and that's how I use it. I'm going to be showing you guys. You know, waxing is the best thing you can do for yourself, because as you can see, my armpit is even more brighter than my actual skin, my body color. And after wax all the time, I use rice mask, boiled rice mask, or rice water is good, because this after wax kit that they use, the spray, even the oil gives me irritation, so I found something natural to use. But for the oil, you can use any oil of your choice as long as it's natural. But I'm using this. It is cocoa radiant body oil. It's pure butter, cocoa butter. So this is what I use after waxing, because I use, as I said, I do put rice most of the times after wax. Even I do my own Brazilian wax, so the rules go for both. But now I'm in rush, so I don't have time to I forgot to boil my rice before leaving. So I'll just use the oil for today. So I'm going to be pulling it from up to down. So I'm going to apply the wax from down up. Ready? This is how the wax is. It looks good. I think it's dry. Let's try it out. I don't know if you can see though. That was a nice one. We are doing a second round from up to down. Let me show you close up. It's so clean. It was so good. Do you see this? Let me show you guys. Do you see it? Yeah, that was a good one. So now I'm going to apply from up to down, then I'm going to pull it from down up to it. Oh, I forgot. I was supposed to put from up to down. It's okay. It's okay, no problem. Quick. Lul, what's the time? 5 what? Okay, call Robinson for me. I'm late for work. I have 20 minutes to get ready and leave the house. Not too much, but it's clean because the first one took out everything. Okay, for the second hand, I think I'll go from down up for this one. Let's go. That was not cute. will be messy. Let me first. He said what? Lulu. Okay, another one. I think I will do from up to down. Think up to down now. So I also do my own Brazilian wax. If I didn't mention that, it used to be painful, but now I'm used to it. To normal. It does not even take me 30 minutes to get done with both. This is okay to happen. It happens. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, lady. Wait, did I apply from up or down? I don't remember. Not very interesting, because the first one were too clean to the extent that the second ones brought out nothing. I'm done. So this, see how clean it is? I'm so happy. Okay. Now I'll use this oil. You just need a little bit of it. I'm so proud of me. Anyway, let me get ready for work. Okay, so I'm going to take a quick shower, put on my clothes because I've already washed my face when I got home because the sun was crazy and I was so dark. So I'm going to put on my work clothes. Just a minute. Okay, so I'm done. That was all for today. Thank you guys for staying. I mean, I can show you my skirt. It says skirt and a black top. This is my work outfit. I like the hair, it looks good. My nails, 8, obsessed. So I'm going to work. Thank you so much for staying this long, and if you have stayed this long, please don't forget to subscribe. Or before I forget, after wax you can never use deodorant because it causes you with skin irritation. Yeah, so ready.